How to delete Google account from one device only. So let's get started. Basically, deleting Google account from one device means signing out from that device. So for that, you have to first of all open up settings in your mobile device. Once you open up your settings, now you have to go to your Google account or your Google settings. Tap on it. Now from here, you have to choose your Google account. If you tap on this drop down box, there you will get an option to choose your Google account. Select your Google account. After that, tap on this button that says Manage your Google account. Then you will land in your Google account page. From here, you will get a menu bar under your account name. If you swipe that to your left, there is an option as Security. Tap on it. Now under Security, scroll down a bit and at your devices section, there is a Manage All Device option. Tap on it. And in this page, you will be able to view all the devices that you're logged in with your Google account. From here, you have to choose the device that you would like to sign out your Google account. For example, I have this device right here. Then tap on that device. After you tap on that, you will find an option to sign out. Tap on Sign Out. Then again tap on Sign Out. After you do that, your Google account will be signed out of this device. And this is the way to delete Google account from one device only, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I will see you on next video.